Mastering ForgeRock's REST API isn't just about knowing the commands, it's about understanding how to build robust, secure applications. Imagine deploying a new service without proper authentication checks, leaving your system vulnerable to attacks. Today, we're going to tackle this head-on by exploring ForgeRock's powerful REST API features. We'll cover essential aspects like setting up authentication flows, managing user policies, and integrating with external systems. This knowledge is crucial for developers aiming to build secure, scalable applications. Let's get started. First, let's talk about authentication flows. You can create custom authentication trees using the REST API. For example, we can add multi-factor authentication to our login process. We start by defining a new tree node that prompts users for a second form of verification, such as a one-time password sent via SMS. This enhances security significantly. Next, we'll dive into policy management. Policies control what actions users can perform based on their roles. Using the API, you can easily create and update these policies dynamically. Suppose you want to restrict access to sensitive data only to admins. You would configure a policy rule specifying that only users with the admin role can view certain resources. Finally, let's explore integration with external systems. ForgeRock's REST API allows seamless connectivity with various services. For instance, if you need to sync user data between ForgeRock and an LDAP directory, you can set up a scheduled task using the API. This ensures that user information remains consistent across all platforms. In summary, we learned how to create custom authentication flows, manage policies, and integrate with external systems using ForgeRock's REST API. These skills are invaluable for any developer working on secure applications. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Drop your questions in the comments. I read every one. See you in the next video.